Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your hermit crab like you. First, ensure your hermit crab has a spacious home. A 10-gallon tank per crab is a good starting point. Maintaining the right environment is crucial, so keep the humidity between 75% and 85% and the temperature from 75 degrees F to 85 degrees F. Also, provide a selection of at least 3 new shells, slightly larger than their current one, for them to choose from. A balanced diet is key to a happy crab. Offer a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Hydration is equally important. Always provide 2 separate, deep dishes. One should contain dechlorinated fresh water, and the other, marine-grade salt water. Make sure the salt water has a specific gravity of 1.024 to mimic their natural environment and support their gill function. To keep your hermit crab engaged, provide plenty of enrichment. This includes climbing structures, cozy hiding spots, and at least 6 inches of substrate for burrowing. When it comes to interaction, handle your crab gently and infrequently. It's best to let them initiate contact. Remember, a calm environment is vital, so avoid loud noises or sudden movements around their habitat. For long-term well-being, regular habitat maintenance is essential. Clean the tank and replace the substrate every few months to prevent bacterial buildup. Always observe your hermit crab's behavior closely for any signs of stress or illness, like unusual lethargy or excessive hiding. And hey, while you're thinking about long-term planning, consider checking the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.